Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto with credit or debit card in Binance. So the step number one is to navigate to the buy section. So from the Binance home screen, look for and tap the buy crypto or credit debit card option. So this is usually highlighted and easily accessible. So you must complete identity verification or KYC to use this payment method. Next is to enter amount and select crypto. So specify the fiat currency that you're paying with, like USD, and also the amount. So you just have to select crypto that you want to buy. So let's say, for example, BTC, ETH, or USDT. So just take note that the minimum and maximum purchase limits. Next is to choose payment method. So since on this one we're using credit or debit card, we're gonna have to click on this and select that. So if this is your first time, you will be prompted to enter your card details like your card number, expiry, CVV, and the billing address. Next is the final step, which is review and confirmation. So from here, you will see all this order summary, the amount paid, the card fee, the price, and the total crypto or the BTC. So review the total cost, the fees, and the final amount of the crypto that you will receive. So the price is locked for a short time, so you must tap confirm and purchase quickly. And lastly is the bank authentication, only if this is needed. So your bank may redirect you to an external 3D secure verification page or similar. So this usually requires a one-time passcode or OTP sent to your phone or email. So enter the OTP or the PIN on the bank's page and submit the verification. So you will be redirected back to Binance and the crypto will be credited to your spot wallet. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.